Oh my gosh. It's been so long. I don't even know where soda is. 7 years later. Hurricane, I see engines, look! Wow, finally, let's go! Oh no, not them again. Ugh, this is gonna be terrible. Yeah, I'm so glad Frankie and Hurricane are gone. It's just, wait a minute. Here at the docks, here in the sea. Salty, don't look behind you. What? What the No, not them again. Okay, Philip, let's make a deal. I'll stab you in the back if you stab me in the back. Okay. Don't worry, guys. Remember that one episode where I teleported that one engine one time? Watch. Abra cadabra. What on earth? Oh my gosh, Ben. This took me so long. These troublesome trucks are terrible. This took me like an hour to figure this out. Ugh. Wow, Ben, that's actually pretty impressive. I want to die right now. Hey, Bill, is my truck ready? Okay, bye. Okay, well, can you at least fix us if you don't like us? Amigos! I can do that. Amigos, to fix you, we will do a ritual from my country. So first, we get a knife. Then, if you see your face right there, that I just smacked with the camera, broke the fourth wall again. Anyway, narrator, stop breaking the fourth wall. If you would do that, amigos. So, after you do that, listen, Victor. Yes, amigos? This is getting a little too dark. So, this is the highest place in town. Arrgh, just teleport him again. Okay. That was fun, Hurricane, wasn't it? What? Oh my gosh. That took me 5 days. I'm so glad that's finally finished. You know what? Where's the knife? Where's the knife? Hey, Bill, are you kidding me right now? Seriously? I actually have to deliver this. Hey, you haven't given me enough screen time yet, narrator. Please, give me screen time. Okay, Thomas. Come here, follow me. Okay. Now, see this wall? Try to climb up it. You'll never climb up it. Wow, there's a lot of chaos going on. Anyway, Stephanie, tell me about your blue smell railway or whatever. Blue bell, Spencer, not blue smell. Yeah, whatever. Roll the cuts.